Hey everybody, Don Snyder with Evolution Deep Clean, rocking the heat index look, getting rid of the carpet off my face. But check this out right here. This carpet hadn't been cleaned in a long time. I just want to share everybody, I was recently on the radio with SCORE, which is with Small Business Development Center. And we were talking, I was explaining about, guys would come in lowball rates, but they would see this and they go and start charging a lot of money. We're charging our same rate for this service, because all you have to do, if you know what you're doing, just change the chemistry up. And it'll bring this back to a like new condition. Our mission is to be the trusted service provider in Florida by providing a clean, healthy, and beautiful environment for everybody. We stick by it. That's our mission, because we're a consumer ourselves. We live by the old-fashioned golden rule: treat others like how you like to be treated. So, look, since summer is coming around, we're going to be rolling out some special rates for carpet and tile combination, carpet and upholstery. We're going to start launching them next week. Give us a call, and most important, jump in the pool because it's hot out. Y'all take care. It's great chatting with all of y'all, and stay in trouble.